How to buy KEKIUS token. Before we begin, please remember that this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research before investing in any project you find on my channel. Now, before you buy the KEKIUS token, make sure to check out their official accounts and community. As you can see, they have a strong community, and it's important to stay updated with any news about this token. Let's dive into buying the KEKIUS token. First, open the token page on your screen. If you don't have an account on the platform, go ahead and create one. Once you're on the page, you'll notice the token's logo. If you click on it, you'll see that a significant portion of the liquidity is locked, which ensures that your investment is secure. Additionally, this token is based on the Ethereum network. Now, copy the token address and open your wallet app. If you're using Bitget or a similar wallet, go to your wallet and make sure to switch the network to Ethereum. Next, click the plus icon and paste the copied token address. Once you paste the address, you'll see the KEKIUS token appear. It may not be listed yet, but just click on it and confirm all the details. After reviewing everything, click OK. Go back to your wallet to proceed with the purchase. Find the KEKIUS token, click on it, and then choose the swap option. Select the amount of the token you want to buy. For example, if you are using USD, make sure you have enough USD in your wallet. Once you enter the amount you wish to buy, you'll see how much KEKIUS you'll receive. Click Buy to confirm the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully bought the KEKIUS token. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.